Let's say there's a new police outpost and they need to paint the top roof. The roof has two parts, a hemisphere dome with a radius of 7 meters and a flat circular slab which is in the shape of a circle with a radius of 7 meters. This is the shape of the roof at the outpost. It looked like a hemisphere, and it also includes a flat slab which is green-blue color. And they have the same radius of 7 meters. So the question is asking us like how much paint would I need if I were to paint this curved surface area of the hemisphere, as well as the flat slab, which is a circle, if you notice. So we need the formula for the curved surface area of the hemisphere. The formula is 2 pi r squared. And the area of the flat slab, which is just a circle, is pi r squared. So let's solve this question step by step. We will try to solve these questions step by step. I'll begin with the first part, the second, and then the third part. Let's look at question number 1. What is the curved surface area of the hemisphere dome? Question number 2. What is the total surface area of the entire roof, the hemisphere plus the flat slab? Number 3. If painting 1 meter square of surface required 0.2 liter of paint, how many liters of paint are needed to cover the entire roof? So it's talking about the hemisphere shape, the curved surface area of the hemisphere, as well as the flat slab. So how much paint will I need if I were to paint like 1 meter square? In 1 meter square, it requires like 0.2 liter of paint. So how much paint would I need to cover the entire shape of the roof? So let's solve the first part of the question, and then we'll move on to part 2 and part 3. From the question given, radius is 7 meters and the formula for curved surface area is 2 pi r squared. Let's plug in the value. We have C as A equal 2 times 22 by 7 times 7 squared. For pi, I'll be using the ratio 22 by 7 and not a decimal version of it. First, let's simplify the radius square. 7 times 7, that would give me 49. And if I cancel out the denominator of 7 to 49, I am left with 7. And all I need to do is multiply these values with the curved surface area, that is equal to 308 meters square. Let's move on to the second part of the question. Given the flat slab radius equal to 7 meters, it is same as the hemisphere. So the total surface area equal hemisphere plus the flat slab. To get the total surface area, we know that the curved surface area of the hemisphere is 308 plus pi r squared, which is the flat slab, which is the surface of a circle, in our case the bottom part of our roof. Now let's just plug in the value. We have 308 plus 22 by 7 times 7 squared. 7 times 7 give me 49, and 7 cancel out. 49, I am left with 22 times 7, and that would give me 154. All we need to do is adding them. We will get 462 meters square. Finally, let's find out how much paint would I need to cover the entire roof. Paint in liter equal total surface area times 0.2 liter of paint. We know the total surface area equal to 462 times 0.2 liter. If we multiply, we get 92.4 liter. So I would need 92.4 liter of paint to cover the entire roof. So in conclusion, the curved surface area of the hemisphere equal 308 meters square. The total surface area equal 462 meters square, and the amount of paint needed is 92.4 liter. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liked it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.